When you first come to log into Slingshot, you'll see 4 options for signing in with your Apple ID, Google, Microsoft, or to create an account. For this, we're going to use Google, and then I will show you all of the advantages that you get by using either your Google or your Microsoft provider. So let's create an account using Google. Now that you've logged in with your Google account and you've gone through our onboarding, you should have granted access into your cloud storage provider. So if you come up here to My Cloud Storage, you will actually see that your Google account or Microsoft, if you use Microsoft, has already been added here, where you have access to your files that you can see here. And I'll show you other ways that you can use these in a second. But you can also add additional cloud providers here. So if you wanted to add another Google Drive or a SharePoint or OneDrive, you could do so here by clicking Add and then logging in, and then your account would show up right here as well. There's no limit to the different cloud providers that you can use, but it's a really nice way to be able to pull all of your content if you do have multiple providers into one location. So how do you use these and how do you use your Microsoft account? Well, if you come here into your project, you have in each workspace and project, as you know, an overview, tasks, discussions, pins, and dashboards. By using either of those accounts, when you come here to either add people, assign tasks, or whatever it is, you'll actually have access to your whole address book within these accounts from here. So you don't have to leave Slingshot to go find an email to add them in here. It'll actually sync right into your Google and Microsoft accounts. As well, if you went to share anything in Slingshot with anybody, those are the same screens that you will see where all of your addresses would be available to you here. Within your pins is where you have the ability to kind of really organize and consolidate all of your information. So if you have documents that pertain right to growth hacking, you can actually go here to your documents and you can grab whatever it is right from your cloud provider. And again, if you had other providers, they would show up right here that you can navigate through. And you click pin. And now these are direct links to the different files inside of your cloud provider. They're not actual copies or anything like that. They're just a live link right into where you're storing your files. However, it makes them very discoverable when they're in context to the rest of your projects. As well, when you're in tasks and you need to maybe attach something right to a specific task, you have access right to your cloud providers from here, where I can grab this, I can grab a case study, and I can attach it right to this task and click update. And last but not least, within your dashboards, if you have Excel files within your cloud providers that you wanted to create dashboards off of, you could do that right from here. So you come here to add a data source, you would choose Excel, and again, you're connected right into your cloud providers where you can come here and you can pull, maybe you wanted to create something off your monthly budget. You can add this data source into my data sources, and now you can start creating dashboards off of these files so that you have beautiful, insightful dashboards right in context of where all of your workspaces and your projects are within Slingshot. And that's how you can easily integrate Google and Microsoft with Slingshot.